Are you struggling to get over your ex? Let's face it, moving on after a breakup is a journey fraught with challenges. It's a tumultuous sea of emotions where waves of longing, confusion, and heartache can often overwhelm us. You might find yourself caught in a loop of memories, replaying the good times and wondering where things went wrong. You're not alone. Many of us have been there, standing at the crossroads, unsure of which path to take. The struggle is real, and it's okay to acknowledge that. It's part of the healing process. Yet within these struggles there's a glimmer of hope, a strategy that could potentially help you navigate this difficult terrain. It's not a magic wand that will erase all pain, but it can be a valuable tool in your journey towards healing. But what if there was a way to ease this struggle? Allow me to introduce the no contact rule. So, what's this no contact rule all about, you may ask? Well, let's delve into it. The no contact rule is, in essence, a self-imposed period of complete silence with your ex. It means no calls, no texts, no likes on their social media posts, no interaction whatsoever. This rule doesn't just serve as a potential solution to the emotional turmoil of a breakup, it's more than that. It's a strategy, a stepping stone on the path to healing. It's about giving yourself the space and time to mend from the emotional wounds inflicted by the end of a relationship. But it's not just about creating a void. It's about filling that void with self-care, introspection, and growth. It's about breaking free from unhealthy emotional ties and gaining a fresh perspective on the relationship that was. But remember, it's not just about ignoring your ex, it's about focusing on yourself. Why exactly is the no contact rule beneficial for you? This question often lingers in the minds of those who've just severed a relationship. The answer lies in understanding the profound psychological and emotional benefits of this self-imposed silence. Imagine your mind as a cluttered room filled with memories, emotions, and thoughts of your ex-partner. Now think of the no contact rule as a much-needed spring cleaning. It allows you to clear out this emotional clutter, giving you the space to breathe, reflect, and heal. The no contact rule also helps break the chains of unhealthy emotional attachment. When you're constantly in touch with your ex, it's like trying to heal a wound while still picking at it. By taking a break from communication, you're allowing yourself to step back, gain a fresh perspective, and start breaking these bonds. Remember, it's not about punishing your ex or playing mind games. It's about giving yourself the space and time to heal. Did you know that the no contact rule can lead to personal growth? It's true. This period of silence isn't just about healing the wounds of a breakup. It's a chance for you to focus on yourself, your well-being, your interests, and your goals. It's about stepping back from the emotional turmoil and stepping into a space of self-discovery. When we're in a relationship, it's easy to lose sight of our individuality. But here's the silver lining of a breakup. It's a chance to reclaim your identity. The no contact rule gives you the breathing space to remember who you are, what you want, and where you're headed. It's a time for introspection, for self-awareness, and for building up your self-esteem. So yes, the no contact rule is about moving on from your ex. But more than that, it's about moving towards a stronger, more self-aware you. It's about rediscovering who you are outside of the relationship. What can you expect after implementing the no contact rule? Well, outcomes can vary. For some, this period of silence might pave the way to rekindle the relationship with a newfound perspective. For others, it could provide the much-needed closure to turn the page on that chapter of their lives. And then, there are those who discover the strength to move on independently, finding comfort in their own company. Setting boundaries during this period is crucial. It's about respecting your own emotional space and ensuring others do too, but remember, it's not without its challenges. The temptation to break the rule can be strong, especially during moments of loneliness. And then there's the impact on mutual friends and social circles, which can sometimes add an extra layer of complexity. Remember, the no contact rule is not a magic cure, but it's a step towards healing and moving forward. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.